In the world of software development, clear communication is the bridge between an idea and its realization. But how often have we seen that bridge crumble due to ambiguities, leading to software that doesn't meet expectations? Enter behavior-driven development, or BDD. A methodology that emphasizes collaboration between developers, testers, and non-technical stakeholders. At the heart of BDD is a language so simple, yet so powerful, that it bridges the gap between technical jargon and business requirements. Gherkin. A plain text language that turns complex software behaviors into easily understandable narratives. It's not just about writing tests, it's about fostering understanding. Today, we'll embark on a journey to understand Gherkin, its components, and its transformative power in the realm of software development. Gherkin. The name might remind some of a pickled cucumber, but in the realm of software, it signifies something profoundly. At its core, Gherkin is a domain-specific language designed to describe and document software behavior without delving into the technicalities of how that behavior is achieved. It's like a bridge, connecting the world of business requirements with the world of technical implementation. Imagine being able to articulate complex software processes in simple, structured, and human-readable sentences. That's the magic of Gherkin. It allows teams to describe features and scenarios in a way that's comprehensible to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. But Gherkin isn't just about clarity of expression. It's a tool that fosters collaboration. By providing a common language, it ensures that developers, testers, product managers, and business analysts are all on the same page, literally and figuratively. And while Gherkin is plain text and easy to read, it's also structured and precise, making it perfectly suited for automation. This means that the scenarios you write in Gherkin can be directly linked to automation code, ensuring that the software behaves exactly as described. In essence, Gherkin is the voice of the user, the developer, and the tester, all harmonized into a cohesive narrative of how software should behave. Gherkin, in its essence, is a structured language, but its beauty lies in its simplicity. Let's break it down with some examples. Every Gherkin document starts with a feature, which provides a high-level description of a software behavior. This tells us that our focus is on user authentication. But what about it? Here's where scenarios come into play. A scenario provides a specific situation or use case. But to understand the flow, we need steps. Notice the keywords. Given. When. Then. They structure our scenario. Given sets the context. When describes the action. Then outlines the expected outcome. But what if we want to test multiple data sets? Enter scenario outlines and examples. This allows us to run the same scenario with different data sets. The placeholders, like username, get replaced by values from the examples table. Additionally, Gherkin provides tags to categorize features or scenarios. These tags, like authentication or regression, can be used to group or filter tests, especially when running them. In essence, Gherkin provides a structured yet flexible way to represent software behavior. It's a language that speaks to developers, testers, and business stakeholders alike, ensuring that everyone's vision aligns in the journey of software development. Now that we've grasped the basics of Gherkin's syntax, let's explore why it's such a game-changer in the world of software development. Gherkin's plain text language bridges the gap between technical and non-technical stakeholders. It fosters a collaborative environment where everyone, from developers and testers to product managers and business analysts, can contribute to defining software behavior. Such a scenario can be easily understood by anyone, ensuring that the entire team has a unified vision of the feature. Ambiguity is a common challenge in software requirements. Gherkin combats this by providing a structured format that demands clarity. This scenario clearly outlines the expected behavior when a discount code is applied, leaving little room for misinterpretation. Gherkin isn't just a descriptive language. With tools like Cucumber, Gherkin scenarios can be directly linked to automation code. By linking Gherkin scenarios to automation, we ensure that the tests truly reflect the intended behavior. As software evolves, so do its tests. Gherkin's modular structure makes it easier to update tests, ensuring they remain relevant and reflective of the current application state. Gherkin is more than just a language, it's a philosophy. A philosophy that prioritizes clear communication, collaboration, and user-centric testing. By adopting Gherkin, teams can ensure that they're building software that not only works but also aligns with the vision and expectations of its users. As we delve deeper into the world of Gherkin, it's essential to understand its versatility and how it seamlessly integrates with various tools and practices. One of Gherkin's strengths is its ability to handle parameterized testing, allowing for more dynamic and comprehensive test scenarios. By using scenario outlines, we can test multiple user roles and their respective permissions without writing separate scenarios for each. Gherkin's popularity has led to its integration with various testing tools. While Cucumber is the most well-known, there are others like SpecFlow, Behave, and JBehave that support Gherkin syntax. Often, there are steps that need to be executed before every scenario within a feature. Instead of repeating these steps, Gherkin offers the background keyword. Using background, we ensure that each scenario starts from the main page, eliminating redundancy. Beyond Gherkin, when integrating with tools like Cucumber, we can use hooks to perform actions at various points in the test execution, such as before or after scenarios. These hooks provide additional flexibility, ensuring our test environment is correctly set up and cleaned up. We touched upon basic tagging earlier, but Gherkin allows for more advanced tagging strategies. You can use tags to group features or scenarios, control test execution, or even link to documentation or issues. Here, the @smoke tag might indicate a smoke test, while at Jira, 1234 could link to a specific issue or requirement in Jira. In wrapping up, Gherkin's true power lies in its adaptability. Whether you're crafting simple scenarios or building a comprehensive test suite integrated with CI/CD pipelines, Gherkin provides the structure, clarity, and flexibility to elevate your testing game. While Gherkin offers numerous advantages, like any tool or language, it comes with its own set of challenges. Recognizing and addressing these challenges is crucial for effective BDD implementation. Even though Gherkin is designed to be clear and concise, it's still possible to write vague or ambiguous scenarios. While this scenario seems straightforward, terms like they or main page can be ambiguous. Who is they? What defines that main page? It's essential to be specific. There's a temptation to detail every single step or action, leading to bloated scenarios. While detailed, this scenario can be streamlined. Remember, Gherkin is about capturing behavior, not every micro-interaction. With multiple team members writing Gherkin scenarios, there's a risk of inconsistency in terms of language, format, or structure. To address these challenges, here are some best practices. Collaborative writing. Encourage paired or group sessions when writing Gherkin scenarios. This promotes diverse perspectives, ensuring clarity and comprehensiveness. Regular reviews. Periodically review and refine Gherkin scenarios. As software evolves, so should its tests. Use a style guide. Establish a Gherkin style guide for your team. This ensures consistency in terms of language, tense, and format. Prioritize readability. While automation is a goal, prioritize human readability. If a non-technical stakeholder can't understand a scenario, it might need refinement. Gherkin is a powerful tool in the BDD arsenal. But like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how it's used. By recognizing its challenges and adhering to best practices, teams can ensure they're harnessing the full potential of Gherkin, leading to clearer communication, better collaboration, and ultimately, higher quality software.